Here's the app called Rise, a life reset in 66 days, daily improve and habit tracker app. Quite interesting idea. 66 days to get yourself together. Struggling with motivation or direction? Rise offers a personalized 66-day program to help you reset your life. Tailored to individuals seeking purpose and a fresh start, Rise is more than an app, it's a companion on your journey to self improvement. Personalized program generation. Begin with a simple questionnaire about your current lifestyle. Rise will craft a custom life reset program focusing on 6 vital areas: sleep, water, exercise, mind, screen time, and shower habits. Gradual challenge increase, daily reminders and tasks. Why 66 days? So it's scientifically backed that 66 days is an effective time frame to form new habits. Rise leverages this to help you cement positive changes for a lasting impact. So you can just have it in here. Pretty interesting concept. There are so many these daily habit tracker apps.
66 days.
This
That's
one
all it
seems to be
takes. 66 days
quite
to form
interesting.
life-changing habits.
So
2 months
you
to
can
develop
easily create
unbreakable
an
discipline.
account or
9.5
continue
weeks to
with the
lock in
guest
and forge
profile.
the best
So
version
here
of
is the
yourself.
account, just
If
for
that's
you
the
to show
case,
it.
where is everyone? They're not.
And then you start this onboarding, which can be quite. So you can then just continue with this, and then you can then just see it like that. And then here you have 8 core habits. It's quite interesting interface. And then there is a referral code, which you can use and then get my program. And then you can select it like this. There is a lot of questions in here, and then that's the idea. And then see a potential rating. Quite interesting. And then that's how the app is say how you will improve week 1, week 2, week 3, like how you can improve your lifestyle. And then you can see your program overview, and then you can just continue. So really interesting onboarding in this app. That's definitely that. So there is some limited discount. I don't know. And then you can start your program yearly $50. One-time offer. So only $2 per month. You can also claim that offer if you want. But other than that, you can just start this paid subscription monthly, $13 per month. But there is a discount. There is no free version, unfortunately. You just scroll, but that's what it is. And there you have it. So at the moment, this is just what it is. And so there you have it. That's the app. I'm not gonna upgrade right now. If you put likes, I will try to upgrade and show it to you. If you wanna just put more likes and comments, that's possible. But I tried also other daily habit tracker apps. This is a new app in this area, so let's monitor and try it out.